Here I have HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. Then when you adjust the normal photo mode, what you have to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you how it works. So I just hold it. Right now I took like 21 shots, and here we can review them all. So as you can see, here is my burst shot. You can just like take all these shots, select the one that fits you best, save it and delete others. Pretty useful. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.